Good morning, my name is Jose Munera. I'm the communications manager here at Imeca, Venezuelan company. With the unfortunate events that took place in Venezuela with the earthquakes, we've opened our doors at the stores and offer all of our logistics so the community could come and bring all the stuff and the help that they could send to Venezuela um, to help the communities that most need it right now. Um, as of today, we are prioritizing the money donations through our cell, in our foundation, I Am Imeca, and this is gonna help a lot better, and it's gonna get there faster since there's a bottleneck with all the help that is being sent, thank to God. But right now, through our foundation and Imeca Venezuela, uh, the money is gonna get there faster, and it's gonna allow us to purchase all the medical support, water, clothes, and all the help that the community needs. So thank you everybody that has been helping. This shows how strong we can be when we're together. And thank you to the international community and all the people here local in Miami.